Good afternoon to all traders and to everybody who decided to join my today's webinar, which is devoted to the trading on the crude oil inventories. Okay, that is me, Anthony Kross. I'm gonna be your host for today's webinar. So let's wait for the several people to join our webinar and then we can start. Okay, so as you see on the screen, I already logged into my trading account and to the trading view. Okay, so from there we can start analyze the price change. So this crude oil inventories report, okay, I expect that to be very good. Okay, and also I expect to see the change of the price this time. So the previous result was 7.29, okay, million, and for the forecast of almost 2.3 million. So the price of the asset was changed that time. Very good. And this time I expect the forecast to be minus 1.2 million, and the actual result I still expect to be into the minus, because from the last week OPEC announced that they're gonna circulate less amount of oil due to the quality of this oil, because when it's coming to the buyer, he is not satisfied with the quality of oil. So this time I expect that in the United States the less amount of oil is gonna be circulated, and we are going to trade for the crude oil for up. But let's see the actual result of the report. Still we have 12 minutes for the report to be published. Okay, here we see that the price was changed, and as we see on the chart, it was already breaking the linear regression indicator and it's trying to go back. Right now it's pretty much good situation on the market. The price is going as way for the rest of the day. Let's see if it's gonna change when the report is going to be published. Okay. Here we see that the price is stable. Let's take our chance and open the trade before volatility. I will choose the asset of the crude oil inventories on my account. Okay, and here I'm going to trade for the 5 minutes as I used to trade before. For those who know how do I trade on the crude oil inventories. Okay, so right now I'm taking a look on the price, and let's take our chance and open the trade for up with 500. So the trade is already running. Let's see how the candle is gonna change. So it's already near the resistance line that we have. Let's see how the price is going to change and how this trade is going to be executed. Okay, at the moment price is going very stable. We don't have the huge change for down or for the up. The price is down at the moment. Let's see how it's gonna end at this time. Right now at the moment we don't see the complete sign for the trade to go up, but our trade is still running. At the moment we have the small difference of 20 pips. It used to be 10, right now it's 20 pips to the price for go up. Once again, I want to remind that this webinar was made for the educational purpose, so there is no need necessarily to repeat each and every trade due to the fact that it's the educational, and secondly, that is the live webinar. So you might have the difference for the time like couple of seconds. So for example, when I gonna execute the trade right now, you will have the same picture on your screen in a 5 or 6 seconds, something like that. So that's why it's not necessarily for you to repeat that. Okay, at the moment we see that the trade is positive. We have the small indecision of the buyers. That's why we have the change of price right now. Still we have 2 minutes for our trade to be executed, and after I will take my chance and open the trade for the 5 minutes more, okay, and we will catch exactly the second when the report is gonna be published. So when my trade is gonna be finished, the actual report is gonna be published, and we will see if my own forecast and the analytics saying was right. Right now we have something around 7 minutes for the report to be published. Okay, so as we see, 18 seconds remain for the trade to be executed. Okay, so the trade is finished. So let's go for another candle and open the trade for up. I will choose as I see 10 minutes because I missed the candle. So our trade is gonna last for 10 minutes right now. And let's see if the report is going to be in a minus. In 5 minutes we're going to have the result. So let's take a look and watch that. Okay, at the moment it's going not in the money. I see that at the moment the price is going way far from the money, and also I see that the resistance line regression indicator was breaking right now. We have 3 minutes for the report to be published. Okay, we have 1 minute and 30 seconds for report to be published, and after, if my prediction was correct, we're going to have the report in the minus and the price is going to go up. Let's see how we go at the moment. Okay, okay, so just seconds remain. Let's be prepared for the report. Okay, so the actual result was in a minus. So I'm going ahead to open the trade for up. Okay, the volatility has already started, and The actual news are taken over right now, and still I see that our trade is gonna run for some time. So the result was minus 1,300,096 barrels of oil this time. So the prediction of me and analytics was right. Due to the OPEC, uh, they decreased the level of founding of the crude oil in the United States. Okay, to my trade to be finished, we need to wait for 9 minutes more. Let's see the effect of the news on the price. So probably you see that at the point when the report was published, the volatility supposed to take over and to go against the result of report, but as we see, the actual result of report is taken over right now. Right now, as we see, volatility is taken over. I'm going to go ahead and open the position till 6 p.m. my time to cover up my previous trade, which is going to be ended not in the money. So 6 p.m. I'm going to run that. Despite the result of actual report, we see that the volatility is trying to take over, as we saw from this candle. Okay, we see that 12 seconds remain for the trade to be finished. Let's see how it's gonna end. Okay, the new candle is going to be for the up. Just the actual result report took over, and we see the positive direction of the price right now. So basically, you saw the result. We analyzed the report that was today very well. Even before the actual result appear, we already knew the direction of the price. Okay, that was it for today's webinar. I hope you enjoy it. It was me, Anthony Kross. See you in the next webinar.